Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm talking about how to fix Roblox failed to download or apply critical settings. So this is pretty much a internet issue, so a connection issue, so we will fix it. So guys, firstly just open up your task manager. Okay, don't mind mine, I have a different task manager, and in here in the search you just type in anything that is related to Roblox, so just type in Roblox. So mine isn't running, and if you have any apps running, maybe a Roblox experience or Roblox game, just go ahead and close them. So the way you do this, for example, you choose the process like this, right click and then terminate, and now it's gone. As you can see, now it's closed. Another thing you might want to do is just open up your CMD. Alright, and in here you just want to type in this command, ipconfig/flushdns. So this will pretty much reset your network settings, and then you can just restart your computer and then try again. This command actually fixed a lot of issues for me. Should work for you too, guys. So these are pretty much the most effective fixes. Enjoy. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.